news that was posted by Mighty Fire FM confirms that Rwot Kasemiro will be crowned. Elders in Acoli district are seeking Uganda shilling 29 million for the official installation of Kasemiro as the chief of the Otong clan. Udire Matia Gago district tie giteka yenyu yo minong lemu duk marang million piari bungwen meneno ni ki wao ki wiro kerma kom Rwot Kasemiro ma ene ti Rwot mi Karakoto. Ongom has been serving as the acting chief of the two clans since 2014, and Rwot Ongom uberuka jolle ko miberu machalo Rwot mi koto manara imwara aliberio kapara ngwen. Following the death of the former Rwot Quinto Kidi of the Kotong clan, enui enobirka guakon position yoni iyong pa Rwot Makeloni Quinto Kidi ma ene noted Rwot mi Kotong clan. Since then, the Royal Council of the Kotong clan has held several meetings to identify the rightful successor. Mana ka no chon, according to Gin Church Pa Mighty Fire, Kara Makeloni Kotong manong Acoli district guber ka yenyi anga ma yeda tie mamier kule Rwot Quinto Kidi. Justin Okot, the chairperson of the Kalpa Rwot Otong clan, won come malo we Kalpa Otong Makeloni Justin Okot stated that the Royal Council and other clan members have anonymously agreed that Kasemiro be officially installed as the 14th clan chief from September 11 to 14th, 2024. Justin Court wajani Justin Court won't come me Kalpa Rwot Otong wajani ludire minganke gumo kamale ni gumo ikachoke mapeki kero wao kachoke mai mung ni Rwot Kasemiro umiere iketo ini ndio para ngwen mi duwe mi abongwen mi uchake ni ndio mi beru Rwot mi na mapara ngwen ye mi Kotong ma chake ni nda apara chien mi ni nda para ngwen 2024. Okot explained that the official installation of the chief aligns with the government's mission to restore cultural institutions. And Okot kono wajani keto Rwot Kasemiro ikomi wara ki program pagamente mamirni lote kwaro ke kwaro umere kikelo wao ke kwaro de chon ku be matak reviving mono tika dem ruanye legitimizes the chief's tenure where bene Rwot beru mano tie dano mi waro dok dano pe lo rata ko no ene don ti kon Rwot makingeo ngeo ka kero moy kumi I actually and ensures respect and recognition from his subjects. Kita wajo keni wero ben na joma no entelo mine en waro dok ye enaye atel which he appealed to the community members for financial support to facilitate the event and kono lego don daro ma ko peri ma gwin twin ni womi kon melim where ko chwako yopman makamiano ko ben mabdiet dog maben, which is expected to attract people from within the sub-region and beyond. Konen wane yup inini biyano dano matie chuli kan kidok bene makaro chuli. So mana ilok pa kot kun woki Mighty Fire FM Rwot Kasemiro ngom onia gini ini chon ki kene uno putu around breaking wall kene no mero ne konku kati ki dog jo ma Rwot ci do kar via mighty fire fon medit donc engine mati eno yuk ci kati me actually mi be ready jo ma ngew ngar ma Rwot Kasemiro bedu en Rwot ma jale dog ben bonne dog ben kum kit ma Rwot mi be kede chul ni en Rwot Kasemiro bedu pe beru cha Rwot pa ka bagagi ma no beru way ti de my dictatorship ma no e king en beru ma be kete non so angoni eni ni ti ko piyo yor dog one of beru ti ye pochi ken ma dit oneno ni no enuni yo mati jo kamara bot in kama ken ma ti ye